Hello, I'm going to explain you the software of school management system which can be manages schools day-to-day business. School management system allow user to store almost all of their school system electronically, including information of their students, employee, properties, teaching material, fee deposit, library and sports club management, etc. Most importantly, this information can easily be shared with authorized user. Records can easily be searched and reports can easily be generated. Let's start with the basic module: organization, branch detail. This is the form through which, by filling this form, you can simply create the branches of your school anywhere in India or outside too. Sub-branch, this is also the form through which you can also create the sub-branches of your school. Organization registration, these are the registration forms: hostel registration, library registration, sports club registration, etc. The next important module is student registration. Yes, this is the form of student registration: first name, last name, grade, stream. Well, this is all the information you need to fill before register the student. The next form is admission, student admission. This is the form of student admission. Similar entries like selecting the session, form number, first name, last name, basic details, documentary details, relative details, previous details, all the information regarding the student. First we have to register the student, and after that you need to Yes, the next module is employee registration. Yes, this is the form of employee registration. You can easily create the employee or register the employee by simply filling this form number, selecting the session, nationality, first name, last name, basic details, document details. You need to fill all the details regarding the employee, and by simply pressing the save button, the employee get registered. You can edit the information of this employee by simply pressing the edit. Select any employee you need to add it. The next sub-module of employee is student attendance. Through this form, the employee of the school simply can take the attendance of the student, selecting class, session and the corresponding section. Alright, now the next module is accounts type, income expense, yes, fee deposit. This is very important module of the software, fee module. Yeah, by filling this form you can you can deposit the fees of student. Simply selecting the session, class, stream, group, section, student, fee type, fee subtype. Example, if fee type is tuition fee and fee subtype is quarterly, monthly or annually. If you select the cash mode, payment mode like cash, and if you select the check or demand draft, you need to fill this requirement like DD number, cash number, bank name, clear date, all that. Yes, similar, the next important module is library. By using this module you can easily add the books to the library. Book new, purchase new, issue book. Through this form the librarian can easily issue the books to the student or employee. And through this form, return books, student or employee can return their book to the library again. The next module is hostel. Yes, after register the hostel, through this hostel registration you need to fill all the details of hostel like room details, how many rooms or how many rooms or floor or capacity. The next module is transport. This is actually depending on your school, whether you are providing the transport facility or not. The next is sports club registration, sports item, purchase, issue sports. Yes, the sports teacher easily issue the sports item to the student or employee, similar like library. And the similar form like library return book, return sports item, and sports item search. You can very easily search the sports item whether it is present in your club or not. And similarly in the library module you can easily search the book whether it is there in your library or not. Yes. Now let's move to an important module, and that is examination. Add marks. Yeah, through this form you can simply add the maximum marks and passing marks of each exam, like by selecting the session, class, stream, group, subject name, exam type, like unit test 1, 2, half yearly, yearly, quarterly exams, and paper type like theory 1, theory 2, practical 1. Maximum marks 100 and passing marks 35 or 40, whatever. You can simply save. Maximum marks distribution. Through this form you can distribute the marks of each subject of each student, again by selecting the session, stream, group, class, subject name, exam type, paper type. The next form is generate mark sheet. You can generate the mark sheet of each student, again selecting the session, class, section, student name, select term like report card, preview. The mark sheet of the student will display on the screen. Yeah, this is the mark sheet of the student, term 1, term 2, and the overall percentile. The next module is human resource. In it there is some modules like generate salary, attendance of the employee, class teacher. You can create the new class teacher, class timetable, teacher timetable, etc. Setting, session. Yeah, session wise, month, working days. It's quite simple by selecting like session, total days, year. Yeah, the red mark shows the off days like Sunday or any holidays. There is a sub modules in settings like change password. You can change the password of your software by simply writing the old password, the new password that you want to change, and the confirm new password, and simply submit. The next is like a reminder. You can create the reminder. And student promotion, that is also like a form. You can promote the student into a next class. Report. Yeah, this is the last module of your software, reports. In this module there is a sub module like graph, employee, student, sports, library, accounts, exams, etc. You can simply generate the reports of the student like graphs, student performance, session wise, exam wise. Yeah, this is the form. You can generate the report of the student. Employee attendance, salary slip. Yeah, this is the form through which you can create or you can have the report of the employee salary. Now let's move to the next and last important module of the software is reports. You can just simply generate the reports of your software in the graph form. Student performance, session wise, exam wise, student attendance, income expense, session wise, month wise, student registration, number of student, employee attendance. The report will generate in the graphical form. The next employee attendance. Yeah, this is the form through which you can have the report of the employee attendance by selecting simply session, year, month, employee, designation, department, etc. Student, you can similarly you can see the report of the student. Cards like iCard, hostel card, mess card, library card, certifications like transferred, Marksheet, character certificate, sports item stock, issue, library, book stock, issue book, accounts, student wise fee details. You can see the report of the student wise fee detail by selecting again the session, class, section, student name. The report of each student you can see. Exams, general, like income expense. This is the form through which you can see the report of income expense. Student wise fee details, session wise student list, inventory, item stock, purchase item, issue item. So in this module you can simply see the reports of each module both in the graphical form and simple numerical. Help content about developer. And this is the shortcut. This is the shortcut of you can see employee registration by simply clicking on this boy. The form of the student registration will display on the screen, and employee registration. This is the form. This is the shortcut. By clicking on this diagram, the form of the employee registration will display on the screen. This is the form of the employee registration as we seen in the employee module, employee registration. The same form will display on the screen, but this is the shortcut. Again, this is the shortcut of student registration, and search student, simple add reminder. So this is the software of this is the software of school management system. The most important thing about this software is this is user friendly, fully customized. Each user, like student, employees, manager, principal, whatever it is, can access their information separately at the same time without any interruption. And this software allows user to store almost all of their school system electronically. That's it. Thank you.